Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access Coinbase Wallet. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After that, here you can find this option at the top left corner. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find the option of Coinbase Wallet. Now simply select it. Now to access the Coinbase Wallet, we need to download it first. Now to download it, simply tap on to get. And if the link does not show you this, you can simply download the Coinbase Wallet from your Play Store or App Store. And now wait for a few minutes and the Coinbase Wallet will be downloaded. And after only that, you can access the Coinbase Wallet. And that's it. This is how you can access the Coinbase Wallet on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.